Welcome to Power BI Tips and Tricks. In this video, I'm going to show you how to limit records when working with big data in Power BI. We're going to start by clicking Transform Data, then click Manage Parameters, click New, and then add this parameter, Records Returned, give it a description, set the type to decimal number, this to any value, and then current value. I set mine to 20, but this is the amount of records that will be returned. Click OK. Then click on your table that you want to have the data limited. Go to Advanced Editor. On the last line, just make sure you have a comma right before you add this next M code. And you're going to want to add this line right here. So it says limit records equal, and then you want to add this if statement all the way down to limit records. The key here is where you see this pound change type. That's basically your last step. So my example, pound change type was my last step before adding this new M code. So in your example, just make sure you put whatever you have in those places for this to work. When done, just click done. And now if I switch this to 10 and I go back to the table, you'll see it limit to 10 records. So hopefully this helps you if you're working with big data again, and you're trying to model something instead of waiting like 30 minutes, 10, 15 minutes for these records to load. You can work more efficiently now. Again, please subscribe and like this video, and thank you.